You, we back again, you feel me? It's a brand new day, man. Today is Wednesday. Finna hit the gym like always, man. It's the same routine every day, you get me? So, we're finna hit the gym real quick before you look at the chart, you feel me? So you can gain some muscle and clear the mind and be ready for the chart. Like I always say, man. If you win the morning, you get to conquer the day, you get me? That's what I'm trying to do. So, let's get it. So right now, because it's about to close what the market, I'm gonna take the stop loss to break even here. You get me? You, we back at it again. You get me? This is the trade of yesterday. I'm just showing you a review. You get me? Preview. Is it a preview or a review? A review. You get me? I'm just showing you a review of yesterday. As you can see, we hit break even. Like I told you from yesterday's video, I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even once we break this high. So we broke this high, put my stop loss to break even around midnight, took me out to get me. So yeah, that's the end of the trade from yesterday. Now we start the trade for today, you get me? So let's break down today. As you can see from today, I marked out the previous day high, previous day low. I marked out this fair value gap as well, plus the midnight open where the market opened, you get me? So what I'm expecting is price. I'm expecting buys, you get me? But there's also sell liquidity here, as you can see, you get me? So price might do two things. If it does something like this, let me give you the buy first. If it does something like this, break this high, then I might anticipate it to leave a fair value gap here, or use this fair value gap to bounce here, what you call support here, so that it can go for the buy side on the upper side. Again, this is the buy side liquidity on the upper side. Or what's gonna happen is, you see the price is gonna reject here, like it's doing right now. It's gonna reject here, you get me, and come break this previous day low, plus this liquidity is here, you get me, before you can, you get me, before you can go above. You get what I'm saying? Hopefully you can understand. But initially I'm anticipating buys. If it sells, I'm gonna leave it sell until this point, you get me. I might miss this trade, you get me. If it sells, I might miss the trade. I'm waiting for buys, you get me. So that's what I'm seeing for now, right now, you get me. So I'll just update you during the day which one I trade. Right now it's playing, it's inside this fair value gap here. If it rejects here, I might try to scalp here, but I won't scalp because it won't be a 1:3. Let me just show you something. It won't make sense. Let's say it gives me a rejection here, closes with a bearish candle. Let's say the bearish candle closes here, you get me, closes the bearish. I'm gonna put the stop loss above this fair value gap, you get me. 1:3, it's not gonna make sense, you get me. As you can see, it's 1:8, you get me. 1:3 will be somewhere here, you get me, which means it has to take out this low, you get me, which it can do. But for me, I rather wait for buys than to sell, you get what I'm saying? You get it? Otherwise, if it does, it has to happen, then I might take this trade, place a break even. Once it breaks here, put my stop loss to break even, because it will be below 50%, to give above 50% level, you get me. So I'll just update you on which one I trade, you get me. But for me, I'm anticipating it. After it does what it does, hopefully a buy can come somewhere here, you get me. Stop loss above this low here, or fair value gap here, you get me. This fair value gap here, aim for my 1:3, which is already 1:3 somewhere here. It's not even that far, you get me. It depends on if it leaves a fair value gap here. If it doesn't, I'm gonna use this stop loss here, then the 1:3 is gonna be a large one now, you get me. So yeah, man, I just update you on which one I trade, on how I trade it and whatnot, you get me. You, we back again, you feel me? Just gonna give you an update on the goal, you get me. So what happened is, like I told you, this fair value gap, price traded above this fair value gap, you get me. Once it traded above this fair value gap, I knew that it wants to change direction from buy to sell, you get me. So what I did is I went to the lower time frame. Let's go there real quick and show you why I entered. Because remember, I was always looking for buys, you feel me, rather than sells, you get me. So what it did is, once it created this high, you get me. Once it did this high, broke this high, came back about below, touched inside this fair value gap here, rejected inside this fair value gap, then broke above. So once it broke above this fair value gap, you get me, plus this fair value gap, so plus this 1 hour one. So once it did that, I waited for price to give me some type of retest. It retested with this week. Once the week closed, place my entry here, you get me. Stop loss below this fair value gap, aim 1:3 like always, you get me. So as you can see, it did hit the TP, you get me. So yeah, man, that's the end of the trade right there, and that's the end of the video as well, you get me. We'll just continue tomorrow. So I appreciate your time, you get me. Appreciate your time, and yeah, man, that's the end of the video right here.